Alright, this is going to be a quick one today. 2011 Toyota Sienna. We're going to change out the air filter. I picked up one of these EP Auto air filters. It's the GP075. I'll throw a link in the description for it in case you want to pick up one. I was right. I think it was less than 10 bucks. But good reviews on it. I've used these filters before for cabin air filters and they seem to be good quality. This is the first air filter I've bought for one, or bought of this brand. But the quality seems good on it, so we're going to try it out. So you've got these two metal clips, just pull up on them, and then once they're up, you can just kind of pull back on this, and then pull kind of straight out, and it pulls up. And as you can see, this one is pretty dirty. So this looks like a Fram. Made in Mexico. I don't see Fram on it anywhere, but maybe we can compare quality real quick between these two filters. A lot more pleating in this EP Auto. It's got the metal screen on it. Overall, just a better quality looking filter. So we're going to throw this in here. It sets down in here. You can see this filter pretty much is about as deep as you can get. Once you set it down in there, of course, this side towards the engine, not going to fit any other way. Then you just drop this thing back down in here, and you're just going to kind of push it forward a little bit so you can get these snapped on. And that's it. Quick and easy on these. Like I said, this is the filter that came out of it. Pretty dirty. It looks like a part number on it. But it looks like a Fram, but I don't know that it is. Probably some, you know, shop brand. You know, I don't know the word I'm trying to think of, but you know, like a Fleet filter, cheap. But that EP Auto filter seems better than the filter I just pulled out. So anyway, like I said, quick one, easy job to do. No reason you should need to pay someone else to do it. You know, pick up a good quality filter. You can pick up one of these, or go pick up a Wix or OEM one, whatever you want to get. And it takes 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.